On December 10, 2021, a monstrous storm system ripped through America. It unleashed deadly tornadoes, leaving devastation in their wake. Kentucky was hit particularly hard. A powerful EF4 tornado tore through the state. It traveled for 165 miles, leaving unimaginable destruction. The storm's fury was felt across 11 counties. Homes were reduced to rubble. Countless families were changed forever. The death toll stood at 57, with hundreds injured. Mayfield, Benton, and Dawson Springs became symbols of the storm's power. They faced the full brunt of the tornado's wrath. Thousands of structures were reduced to debris. Trees were uprooted and tossed aside. The landscapes were unrecognizable. The Kentucky Tornado Outbreak was a stark reminder of nature's raw power. It underscored the importance of preparedness. The road to recovery would be long. Amidst the wreckage, the spirit of humanity shone through. As the sun rose on December 11th, the true extent of the devastation became horrifyingly clear. The December 2021 tornado outbreak went down in history as one of the deadliest December tornado events ever recorded in the United States. The economic toll was equally staggering, with Kentucky bearing the brunt of the financial burden. Experts estimated the total damage to be a staggering $3.5 billion. This figure represented the cost of rebuilding shattered lives and communities. It also highlighted the urgent need for improved disaster preparedness and mitigation efforts. The sheer scale of the destruction overwhelmed even the most seasoned disaster relief workers. The recovery effort would require a massive coordinated response. Government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and countless volunteers mobilized to provide aid and support. In the face of unimaginable loss, the people of Kentucky demonstrated remarkable resilience. Neighbors helped neighbors. Strangers reached out with open arms. The process of rebuilding began almost immediately, fueled by a shared determination to reclaim their lives and communities. One of the most critical aspects of the recovery effort was rebuilding essential infrastructure. Roads, bridges, power lines, and communication systems were systematically restored. This monumental task was crucial for enabling emergency services to operate effectively and for allowing residents to return to some semblance of normalcy. The groundbreaking for a new city hall and police station in Mayfield marked a significant milestone. It symbolized the community's commitment to moving forward. However, the need for continued support remained critical. Addressing long-term housing needs, providing economic opportunities, and offering mental health services were essential components of the long road to recovery. Stories of resilience triumph over tragedy. Amidst the widespread devastation, stories of individual courage and community solidarity emerged. These stories served as powerful reminders of the enduring human spirit. In the town of Bremen, Kentucky, a group of neighbors formed a human chain to rescue a family trapped in their collapsed home. In Mayfield, a high school student used his drone to help first responders assess the damage and locate survivors. These acts of heroism, both big and small, highlighted the strength and compassion that emerged in the face of adversity. They painted a picture of hope and resilience that transcended the tragedy. The outpouring of support from across the nation and around the world was overwhelming. Donations poured in to assist with relief efforts. Volunteers flocked to the affected areas, eager to lend a helping hand. Words of encouragement and prayers provided solace to those who had lost so much. Nurturing nature's recovery. The December 2021 tornadoes not only devastated homes and businesses, they also left a scar on the natural landscape. Countless trees, some centuries old, were uprooted or snapped in half. Recognizing the importance of trees in the ecosystem and in the healing process, organizations like the Arbor Day Foundation and State Farm stepped up to aid in reforestation efforts. They committed to donating nearly 700 trees to Graves and Caldwell counties. These trees would not only help replace those lost in the storm, but also serve as powerful symbols of resilience and hope. The distribution events provided residents with an opportunity to participate directly in the greening of their communities. It was a chance to plant not just trees but also the seeds of a brighter future. A beacon of hope, the spirit of Kentucky. 3 years after the devastating tornadoes, the journey to recovery continues for the people of Kentucky. The physical scars are slowly healing, but the emotional and economic impacts run deep. Yet, through it all, the spirit of Kentucky remains unbroken. The communities ravaged by the storm have shown remarkable resilience. They have come together to support one another, rebuild their lives, and honor the memories of those lost. The outpouring of support from across the nation has been instrumental in the recovery process, demonstrating the power of compassion and collective action. The December 2021 tornadoes may have left an indelible mark on Kentucky, but they did not break the spirit of its people. The long road to recovery is paved with hope, resilience, and an unwavering belief in the power of community. Where were you when the Kentucky tornado outbreak hit? Share your memories or experiences in the comments below. How do you think we can better prepare for tornadoes in the future?